Hi students, welcome to the NEET Easy Physics channel. Today I am going to give how to prepare for physics subject for your upcoming NEET exam. Upcoming NEET exam means not this year, I am saying about next year 2026 NEET physics preparation to become easy. So we have given channel name as Easy Physics, but we have to make it easy. Physics is not that much easy, but if you prepare well with planning, definitely it is going to become easy for each and everyone. Compared to remaining all subjects, we are going to do very easily physics problems. Now, how to prepare for that? How to revise further before going for next year examination? You have to maintain these four books. So one is because we are doing online, so online notes. Online notes. Second one is going to be offline notes. And third one is going to be formula notes. And last one, very, very important one, error notes. So these four books are very, very important. So I'm going to explain one by one. Online notes means you have to take one empty notebook and whichever class you are going to listen here from this channel, you are going to prepare that notes. How I am doing as it is, you can pause the video, you can write each and every step how I am going to do. So by writing this, you may understand, but you cannot solve the problems directly. Again, you have to practice. So same notes, how I have done, in the class, same like that without seeing, you have to write it on this offline notes. That is nothing but practice notes we are calling. Same how I have done in the class, how you copied from the notes, same like that you have to write without seeing. Means like your teacher, how your teacher is writing on the board, you should also write on that. How to write, how to prepare, I will say. Next, formula notes. Formula notes means how many formulas are coming in our class, in our video. So all the formulas you have to write in that one book. Don't take any Xerox. Okay, Xerox copy you should not take. Only you have to write with your own handwriting in one book. Next, error notes. So any exam you are going to write, whichever college, wherever organization, whichever organization you are going to write any exam, which mistakes you have done, only for the mistakes problems you have to write. Okay, by following our class, you can do almost 80 to 90% of the problems in whichever college or organization you are going to write that exam. Definitely you are going to make, isn't it? So for that, first, whichever you are writing online or offline, this is called preparation. Preparation is different, and later you have to revise the topic. Revision is going to be different. So whenever you are going to prepare, you will be writing, you will be practicing, and all those, isn't it? So it will take more time. If you are preparing 1 hour, your revision should be 5 to 10 minutes only. So till tomorrow exam is there means before a day I am going to prepare means that is wrong. So tomorrow exam is there means you have to revise within 5 minutes. For that, you can conduct by your own one formula tests. Let us assume you have Friday or Saturday, Monday exam, or Sunday you have exam. Then Saturday you have to write your own formulas. How you have to write means just you can start any lesson you can take in that how many formulas you remember. Let us assume motion in a straight line. If you are taking motion in a straight line, V is equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square. So like that you have to write all the formulas. This is called formula test, you can write your own formula test, how many formulas you remember, and these formulas came in exam means whether you have done or not, you can cross check. Let us assume V is equal to U plus AT. This formula you have known. Everyone will be coming to know who have completed their 9th class. But if they give problem on this equation, whether you people have done or not, you have to cross check. If you have not done means why you have not done that problem, you have to see very clearly. That one you have to mention in error notes. And previously year questions also you can see how many questions they asked on this equation. Like that your preparation should be there. So your preparation is different, revision is going to be different. So before going to write the exam, you can write one formula test at each and every time. If you write four equations, five formulas, no problem. Initially you can start with one, definitely you are going to write very well, isn't it? So this is about preparation and revision. So these two notes are going to be important. This notes by writing, by following, by pausing the video, we are going to write. Offline notes means same as it is, you have to write without seeing. Next, formula notes means by copying whichever formulas you are getting, just you have to copy. And whenever exam is there, you can revise from this also before going to write the formula test. After writing all these formulas, how many formulas you got in your exam? Let us assume these two or three, ut plus half at square, v square minus u square equal to 2as. So on these three equations, you got three problems, but you are not able to do in the exam. Then why you are not able to do? Time is not enough. Why you didn't get idea about this equation? You have to cross check. How to apply the formula? How you have to get the idea to apply this formula only for that particular problem? All these we are going to get one by one. So every day I am going to give only 30 minutes. It cannot be more than 30 minutes I am going to give for you. So this 30 minutes to write, you will take 30 minutes on. So later you can practice 1 hour on this. So daily you can spend minimum 1 hour on this. Sometimes I will give 15 minutes or 20 minutes lecture for the concept, how to apply the formula. At the time, if you prepare like this, please spend 1 hour time per day for your upcoming one by one video by following our channel. Then definitely after you can cross check after completion of one lesson, whenever they are conducting exam, you can cross check whether you are able to solve the problems or not. Definitely you people can solve minimum 50% or 60% problems. So wherever you are going to write the exam. Okay. So you have to take 1 hour from your daily pattern, whatever we are going to discuss. So each day minimum 30 minutes only I am going to give for you. You have to spend 1 hour by pausing the video or by writing the notes. You can write as this step by step I am going to write for you. And some people said in other language they are going to give or not. So in our channel we are going to give only by English, no other languages will be given. So please try to follow. So that is only understandable English only, not like foreign language. Therefore, try to follow these 4 books. These 4 books by the end of December or January will be having means. So February, March, April, we are going to revise all. Means you people are going to revise all these means definitely you are going to get 100 plus 120 plus. If you are average student, if you are getting only 50 marks, then definitely you are going to get 100 marks if you follow our channel, our notes or our material. So I am not going to post any material or printed material because so you have to write by your own handwriting, then only you people can remember. So because someone has given means you cannot remember that formula because you people didn't write. So once you can do by revising one page, then definitely you will get idea what I am going to say. Like biology also you can prepare like that. One page you can take, you can prepare your own notes line by line. Then whenever you are reading once again, revising once again, you will get very fast because you people prepared that notes. So if someone prepared that notes, if you are reading means you cannot get idea on that. Therefore, try to follow all these 4 books each and every day, day by day. So I'm going to upload video. So next class onwards, we are starting units and measurements and electric charges and fields. So units and measurements, electric charges and fields, we are going to give the video. At the time, units and measurements for first year students and who are going for second year students also, these 2 lessons will be helpful. And long term students also, they can prepare both at a time. Okay. So one first year, one second year video I am going to upload within that our channel. So I prepared 2 playlists for this. So you can watch. If you are first year students, only first year you can see. If you are second year students, you can watch both the videos, even for long term also. But don't see all the videos within short span of time. One video you have to take one day, or you have to spend 1 hour time. So now I gave some basics before going to start this. Almost 80% to 90% only I gave, 80% to 90%. So remaining the 20% to 10% we are going to do whenever that model is going to come. That is maximum minimum cases and partial differentiation. All those we are going to do whenever those models are coming in our problems. Almost whichever I gave for as basics for you, it is going to cover 80 to 90% of the problems. Without those basics, you cannot go for subject or don't go for solving the problems. First see all those videos before going to start our subject, because without knowing all those directly, you cannot solve the problems. If you are going to swim the ocean, if you are going to swim means first we have to go for small ponds, swimming pools. There you have to swim. Directly you cannot jump into the ocean because you people will die. So this is also physics also is like ocean. So before going to that, we have to do some basics. Those are simple basics only. You can do up to 10th class maths also, no problem. But in integration differentiation, you won't have in your 10th class. Those also I gave for you. So remaining the 20% to 10% we are going to get whenever that model is coming in physics. So we are starting with both the lessons, all 28 lessons, all the topics we are going to do one by one. Slowly we will do. Okay, if you follow our channel, definitely you are going to get. I'm saying about average, below average students also will score in your final NEET exam. Definitely 100 plus marks we are going to get by following our channel. So all the best for your next year preparation. You can start from now onwards who are going to write next year NEET and you have to do not smart work and hard work, you have to do hard to work. Hard to work means you have to keep your heart and you have to solve the problem. So don't do for your parents, don't do for teachers, don't do for me, you can do for yourself if you want good marks in scoring physics subject. Okay, so thank you.